Hey coders, sometimes in the output console, we may need to print the output in a formatted way. That's where we use escape sequences. In today's video, let's see what are the escape sequences in C we use most often. Welcome to JJ Coders. Let's see this with an example program. I'm creating a new C program named escape underscore sequence.c. I am including the header file stdio.h as I'm going to use printf. I am creating the main function. Inside the main function, I am creating two printf statements, each in a separate line. And giving a return 0 as end of the program. Now save the program with Ctrl S, and then to compile, go to the terminal window, gcc space program name, then hit enter, and to run the program type ./a.out and then press enter. Now you can see the output in the console window, but the output don't seems what we expected. Even though we have given printf in two different lines, the output displays everything in a single line. So here where we need the escape sequence called \n, the new line character. Now we have given the \n at the end of each printf statement. Now save the program, recompile and rerun. You can see the expected output in the console window. The next one is \t. It will print the horizontal tab space in the output. It's like we give indentation in the Word document. You can display the output in a formatted way using this /n and /t. Let's add another printf statement. I want to print C is the powerful program. I want to highlight the text C with the double quote in the console output. But when I do, you can see the warning in the VS Code. Also, when I compiling this program with this change, you can see the compiler throws the error. This is why, because in the printf, if we give double quote, it means beginning or end of the word. So how to achieve what we want to do? We can use the \double quote to solve this problem. Let me update the printf statement. Now save, recompile and rerun the program. Now we can see the C with double quote in the console window. What if I want to print a file path in the printf statement? Let me create one printf statement with a sample file path. And when I try to save and rerun the program, the output shows something else than what I expected. Here I need to give the escape sequence \/ to solve this issue. Now let's check the output. We can see the expected output. Also, if you want one more \, just add another \/ in the printf. Let me create another printf statement. And within the printf statement text, I'm just adding a escape sequence \b. It will erase an character before it. Now let's check the output. In the printf, I have given the word fastest with double T. But in the output, you can see one of the T got erased. I am creating another printf statement. Here I am going to print the word downloading with some percentage. You can see I am giving double percentage instead of one. Percentage inside printf means format sequence. In our previous videos, we used like %d, %f, %u, right? So if you give just one percentage, the program will get confused and throw error. So you need to provide double percentage to print a single percentage in the console window. In some scenario, you have to display a single sentence just updating its value alone, not printing everything as a new line. Displaying the download percentage is the best example. For this, I can use the escape sequence backslash, or it will move the cursor to the beginning of the line, erasing the previous text in that same line. Let's check the output now. You can see downloading 2% alone displayed. You can use these escape sequences in any combination as you desire. So in this video, we have seen what is escape sequence and how to use it. Along with this video, in a library, we are updating a sequence of C programming videos. Please check those videos also. Thanks for watching. Happy programming. Please subscribe, like and comment.